Attorneys in the Officer David Bisard trial will spend the weekend preparing their closing arguments to present to the jurors. Testimony ended today after the prosecution presented its final rebuttal witness. RTV6 reporter Jack Reinhardt has the latest from Fort Wayne.
This case is focused largely on the blood evidence, and on this final day of trial, the prosecution brought in one more expert witness to talk about the Bisard blood result. The final witness, Michelle Glenn, a certified toxicologist and the director of a St. Louis testing lab. She spoke to jurors about issues raised by the defense, about whether alcohol from hand sanitizers and whether Bisard's many prescription medications could have impacted his blood alcohol result of 0.19.
The hand sanitizer, for example, letting them know that that would have no impact. The controlled substances, which didn't come up in the state's case in chief, but only came up when the defense raised the issue. Letting the jury know those controlled substances, number one, wouldn't convert to alcohol, but number two, even if they did, it would have no impact.
Over the course of 3 weeks, the jury heard from 75 witnesses and viewed nearly 300 exhibits, and they all took notes and asked questions. And the defense in this case has expressed confidence that Bisard has made himself heard.
The evidence has now been heard. We are going to prepare for final arguments over the weekend, and we look forward to a final presentation to the jury, and we await their deliberations at that time.
The jury will get the case early Monday afternoon, and in recognition of the length and the complexity of this case, the judge has reserved a hotel room and has ordered jurors to bring an extra change of clothing with them. In Allen County, Jack Reinhardt, RTV6.